you guys. Hi guys, today we're going to be eating Popeyes, McDonald's, and McDonald's. My name's Kendrea.
My name's Yulani.
And my name is Ken.
And we are the KB Times 3 family.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I got is McDonald's. I got hamburger, fries, biscuits from Popeyes, and I got chicken nuggets. And juice. And don't tell me what I got.
I got chicken nugget, chicken nugget, chicken nugget, chicken nugget, fries, hamburger, juice.
Why are you saying chicken nugget, chicken nugget, chicken nugget?
I got 3 pieces of
You were supposed to count it.
I got 3 pieces of chicken, a Popeyes biscuit, ranch, and juice.
Let's eat.
Kenny, shut up.
I think I go with that. I'm gonna just eat our juice.
This is yummy. We got spicy chicken.
My face is moving.
Look. I can throw it.
I'm trying my fries.
I can throw all the juice.
Ugh.
Why does it taste cold?
What?
My fries.
Probably yours.
Did I go to McDonald's first?
Yeah.
I feel like it's Popeyes first.
We did go to Popeyes first.
That's so raggy. Why are you like that? Why are you like that? We moving. See? You see the stuff that flickering?
Yeah. This is the best. I rate this a 10 out of 10.
I rate it for 100.
It's 100 out of 100.
1,000 out of 100.
Look.
A billion, infinity out of 10.
100 million after
I think we should start
100
making
million.
faces.
Mommy.
No, I can see you. Y'all can see you. Mommy's gonna watch it. We need to put this on Instagram. What?
I'm gonna put this on Instagram.
Yeah.
She might not. She might not. She might just post it.
What if she looks
And just tell her don't watch it.
at it? If she go watch it, that makes it more suspicious.
I want to say that I should do this really beautiful. You can have to read the video or try again. Oh yeah, we're not gonna have food.
Huh?
I said, we should just delete it and try again, but I forgot that we're not gonna have food.
Right. It's not like we're playing toys. Jerry, that the chicken isn't spicy.
Oh, wait for 5 minutes.
See this. No, we got on my biscuit. Ew. This is what it looks like.
This mine look like.
I'll be right back. Oh.
Look. Look how I just drink. Wait, we got the same height. Then we got the same height. I drink on it.
No, you didn't have to watch.
I posted a lot.
So she's not looking. What?
You gotta stop it.
Can we like make another?